Okay, I'm gonna do an unboxing today. Big, long plant. Can't even get it into the frame. Of course, it's getting these plants in here too. Okay. I've been wanting this plant. Finally got it. They sell it at Gabriella Plants, and I put it in my basket when they re-inventory it. And as soon as I go to checkout and PayPal, it tells me that it's not in stock anymore. So I found it on eBay. We're having a thunderstorm, so that's what that noise is. Of course it's gonna rain. That's what it does sometimes. But I love thunderstorms, so I don't care. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, is this really this big? Or is this just a trick? I didn't think it was this big. Oh goodness, so much paper. Oh my gosh, this guy's big. It's not a trick. Oh, bad sized plant. philodendron Jose Bueno. This guy's hard to get. Everybody bids on him on eBay. I think I got lucky because maybe a few people weren't paying attention because of the holidays coming up. And I won this auction, and I am so happy I finally got this guy. I started getting frustrated trying to get it at Gabriella Plants, because I don't know how many plants they have in stock, but it seems like by the time I get to PayPal, they're gone. So that's frustrating. This is a nice plant. He's pretty. He's big. And it is so humid out today. Even though it says it's 51% humidity in here, but I swear it feels, and it's 90 degrees, so that doesn't help. The plants like it. I don't, but I'm fine with it for the plants. I just try to stay in the air conditioning as much as I can. And it's raining. That makes it even worse. But I like the rain because it makes my plants grow like crazy. And it cools it off too. Yesterday it was like 99 degrees. It felt like 99 degrees, and it rained and it took it down to 83, and I thought that was nice. I just don't understand how people like 99 degrees. I just can't do it. Isn't he beautiful? Now what I've started doing with new plants that I get, since I had a thrips outbreak and I learned what thrips were, I saw these videos about people complaining about thrips. Well, I brought a plant in probably that had thrips, and it spread to this guy and a bunch of my anthuriums. So this guy got thrips, and then I have another one, another clarinervium that has thrips. And so I have a magnifying glass now. When I buy a plant, I check, and I may just go ahead and spray with some neem just in case, or spray off the leaves, because I really don't, I think thrips are the worst. Never realized what thrips were until I started venturing into aeroids and other plants besides Hoyas, because my Hoyas never had thrips. But now that I'm into other plants, thrips love these aeroids and these philodendrons. They love them. So if you buy any new plants, search the leaves or check the leaves close up to make sure there's no thrips on there, because you don't want thrips everywhere. So I'm going to put him somewhere where he's not close to my other plants, and I'm going to do a thorough checking because I don't want to bring any thrips. And I wanted to show you, since I brought up thrips, I thought I would show this to you. This guy, see how beautiful his leaves are? This is a rare plant. I got him from Ken's philodendrons, and he got thrips while he was in the grow tent. See those little dots? I thought he was getting maybe too much light or something, and it turned out he had thrips, so I treated him. But I got a brand new leaf down here, and look at what the thrips did to the leaf. Didn't kill the plant, but it's nice to get a beautiful leaf like this. So be warned when you buy plants, check for thrips, because they're the worst. And I'll put the name of this plant. I can never, it starts with an M, Ceralis, I forget what it's called, but it's a rare one. I almost didn't get it from Ken's philodendrons when I bought it, because the website crashed while I was trying to pay for it, but I ended up getting him. I was thrilled. And I still have not replanted him. He's in very heavy soil, and this guy loves a lot of water. And he's actually growing a new leaf. They're very easy to grow. I don't know why they're not found that much. I don't see them on eBay very much. But yeah, so thrips love this guy. I think this leaf is the worst. I thought it was low humidity leaf burn, but it was thrips. So I treated him, and I don't think he has thrips anymore. I keep checking, do periodic neem sprays just in case, but yeah, just be warned.